Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mint versus US Mobile. Mint Mobile specializes in prepaid plans, requiring you to buy service in 3, 6, or 12-month increments, often with specific data allowances. US Mobile, on the other hand, offers more flexible monthly plans, including options for unlimited talk, text, and data. Both providers leverage robust 5G networks, ensuring wide coverage and fast speeds, making them strong contenders for your wireless needs. When it comes to pricing, Mint Mobile typically offers lower monthly rates if you commit to a longer term, like 12 months, paying upfront. US Mobile provides more traditional monthly billing, which can be more convenient for some users, and also offers family plan discounts. Your best value will depend on your data needs and how comfortable you are with longer-term commitments versus monthly flexibility. Mint Mobile stands out with its free international calls to over 160 countries, a great benefit for global communication. US Mobile offers unique perks, such as free streaming subscriptions or hotspot data, especially with their unlimited plans. Both carriers provide reliable service, utilizing the same major networks as larger providers, ensuring consistent performance for calls, texts, and data wherever you go. For customer support, Mint Mobile provides assistance through online chat and phone during business hours. US Mobile offers more extensive 24/7 customer service, accessible via chat, email, and phone, which can be a significant advantage for immediate help. Ultimately, your choice depends on your budget, data needs, and preferred payment structure. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.